What's going on, guys? If you've ever been thinking about becoming a truck driver, changing careers, or finally getting your commercials driver's license, this video is for you. So getting your CDL can feel really overwhelming at first. There's paperwork, written tests, driving skills, road tests, and a lot of advice online. Some is good, some is not so good. So today, I'm gonna break everything down in plain English for you guys. So by the end of this video, you will know the best and fastest way to get your CDL, how to save money on your training, and common mistakes that people make to fail their CDL test, and how to go from zero experience to legally driving a commercial truck. Whether you want local work, over-the-road driving, or just a better paying career, let's get right into it, guys. So a CDL or commercial driver's license is a special license that is required to operate large or heavy vehicles. Some examples include semi-trucks, dump trucks, buses, tankers, and vehicles hauling hazardous materials. So most people are going to be going for their Class A CDL, which allows you to drive something called combination vehicles, like tractor trailers. A Class B CDL is usually for straight trucks, buses, and dump trucks. Your state issues the license, but the rules are based on federal standards set by the FMCSA, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. So that's why the process is similar in every state, although some details may vary. So before you even touch the truck, you need to meet some basic requirements. You have to be at least 18 years old and 21 for intrastate driving. Have a valid regular driver's license, provide proof of residency, pass a DOT physical, and get a commercial learner permit, or CLP. The DOT physical is very important. Some things they check for is your vision, hearing, blood pressure, and your medical history. If you can't pass the medical exam, you won't be allowed to drive commercially. So make sure you get this done first and early. So the first real step in getting your CDL is passing the written knowledge test at your DMV. At a minimum, you'll need to know a few different things, including your general knowledge, air brakes, combination trucks, and the best way to pass on the first try is to actually study the CDL manual. So your state's CDL manual is free online, but some things you need to focus on in that confusing book is your air brake systems, your safe following distances, your weight limits, and your road signs and signals. And also, one thing that helps a lot of people is doing practice tests. Practice tests are very helpful. They often help you learn how the questions are worded, identify your weak areas, and help you build confidence to walk into the DMV knowing that you'll pass. So make sure you don't rush this step. Failing written tests slows down everything. But once you pass, you'll receive your commercial learner's permit, which allows you to practice driving with a qualified CDL holder. So what's the best training option? This is where a lot of people make mistakes. So there are three main ways to obtain CDL training. You can do the first one, which is company-sponsored training. This is often low cost or completely free, and you're going to be signing a contract and agreeing to work for that company for a certain amount of time. This is great for people who have little to no money, but there is a lot of downsides with this. You're going to have little to no flexibility and a lot lower pay than somebody else who goes to option number 2, a private truck driving school. These are often more expensive upfront, but they give you more freedom to choose your employer and often have a better training pace. So this is usually the best option if you can afford it or qualify for some grants in your state. And option number 3 is going to be a community college CDL program. So these are usually the cheapest, but they have a lot slower pace and the training is very extensive. So no matter what option you choose, make sure the school offers behind the wheel time, teaches pre-trip inspection in detail, and provides you training for the actual CDL test, not just the driving. So a good CDL school focuses on 3 main skills, and these include the pre-trip inspection. This is where students fail their test a lot of the time. So you have to verbally explain engine components, brake system, suspension components, lights, tires, coupling systems, and if you miss too many items, you will fail your skills test automatically. You also have to demonstrate your basic vehicle control. So this includes your straight line backing, offset backing, alley dock or parallel parking, and these are about precision, not speed. So make sure not to fly through these guys or you will fail. And then you're also going to get rated on road driving. So you'll be rated on lane control, turns, your shifting, speed management, and your defensive driving skills. So practice slow, smooth, and controlled driving. Examiners hate it when you rush. So when you're ready, you'll schedule your CDL skills test. And here's how to pass on the day before. Make sure you get plenty of sleep. Make sure you eat beforehand. Don't rush and listen carefully to instructions. If you make a mistake, stay calm, correct it safely, and just keep going. A lot of people fail this because of nerves, not because of their lack of skill. So remember, you can always retest if needed. And here's some common mistakes to avoid. Let's save you some time and money, guys. Avoid these simple mistakes. Make sure you're studying the pre-trip thoroughly. Yes, it's boring, but not studying the pre-trip is a guaranteed fail. Also, don't choose the cheapest school without your research, guys. A lot of schools are cheap because they're desperate for students to fund the school because they're about to close down. So make sure to do your research on a school and make sure it fits you as a person. Also, don't rush through your permit testing. And also, don't ignore air brake knowledge. Also, remember not to practice bad habits, guys. So make sure you take your time. Doing it right once is a lot faster than doing it twice. And here's a real secret to getting your CDL the best way. Let's make sure we're treating this like a career, guys, not a shortcut. Also, make sure you're always asking questions. It's not annoying if you ask questions, guys. It's better to know than to not know. Practice your pre-trip every day. It's boring and repetitive, but you need to know this. Trust me. Don't compare yourself to others. A lot of people you'll go to school with have been driving trucks their whole life illegally, so make sure not to compare yourself to those people. And make sure you focus on safety, not speed. And remember, guys, a CDL can open up a big door for you guys where you're getting higher pay, job security, travel opportunities, and long-term stability. So let's recap this video real quick. The best way to get your CDL is to get your commercial learner permit the right way, choose a quality training school, practice pre-trip and backing daily, and stay calm during the test while you're focusing on safety and consistency. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe for more CDL training tips, test prep, and real-world trucking advice, and comment down below. Are you guys just starting your CDL journey or are you already in school? But I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for sticking it out to the end, and I'll see you guys next time.